Hey my people, how's it going? So I thought I would bring this impact driver gun, my people, so y'all could check it out and let me know what you think. I just want you guys to stay concentrated to this WORKPROX 20 volt brushless cordless impact wrench, my people. All right, it's an impact gun. It has 600 Newton meter high torque, my people. Okay, and it has 3-speed. It does come with this bag. Okay, so it's your little carrying case. As you can see, pretty nice, pretty handy. Okay, you see, it says right on it, right? WORKPROX, my people. We're gonna take out the actual impact gun. Check it out. It looks nice, huh? I'm telling you, it's like nice and small, which is what I like. It's so compact. Yeah, I like it. I don't know. I do have one from another brand. It's way bigger. This thing is like small. We're gonna try to take it out, test it, see what it can handle. Here we have one battery, and of course you could probably order more batteries if you want, 3, 4, whatever you want. But I chose just one for now. It's all that I need. And as you can see, it does have a little window right there that showed you. It is 100% charged. When it came, it was at like 70%, so I charged it all the way. On this side is when you're gonna have, see, you have, I believe, a type A and a type C. So I plugged it right there, and you are able to see a green light once it's plugged in, so you know it's charging. It'll blink and then it becomes solid. Now here, it does have an on-off button. I think this is if you want to connect, like let's say you want to charge your phone, you can use this battery, connect your phone, you turn this on and it'll give power, right, to your phone. So I think it could be used as that also, my people. Okay. Of course, it brings the USB charger, as you can see. See the type C on this side, hopefully it's clear. Your type A on this side, my people. This is for your charging needs. And like I said, maybe there's also one of those type of gadget where you just actually put the battery into, okay? Fortunately, this one did not bring that, okay? We got some drivers. It has different size. I am not gonna tell you the size right now. I really don't wanna open it, but it has 4 different drivers that it comes with, my people. You know, which is awesome. And I guarantee you've probably got all the standard size for different vehicles right there. Okay, let's pull this out. Of course, the user manual, still in his bag. This is the bag where the actual impact gun was in. And now this, I believe, you screw it somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where. And I believe this is maybe to hang it, but I think maybe this goes somewhere where you're able to hang it on your belt or something like that. So it goes on either side right there. That's one. And the other side, I believe, there. So you'll put it there. And of course, bag does have some pouches in here on the side for you to put stuff as you want. Pretty sturdy. It's almost like denim. Pretty nice. Out here, you see, you got more compartments to put things. This side is solid, my people, but it's nice and rugged. So we're gonna try to put this outside. We're gonna try to maybe ask some friends to help us while they fixing the car, and I'll record them, or if not, I'll show you basically my own car taking out the lug on the wheel or something like that. So let's go check that out and let's see what happens, my people. All right, everybody. So there was something I forgot to show you right here. So it has like 3 different speeds when it's going forward. And I don't know what this one is right here, but I think that one comes on is when it's reversed. But definitely depending on the speed, it does have more power. Let me see right there. We got it on 2-speed, 1-speed, way slower. We're going to 2-speed, faster, 3-speed, and y'all can hear the difference, right? So this is, I believe this one's only for reverse. So that's some type, let's go normal. Okay, and then let's press it, see, in reverse. I honestly don't know what it does, but it's gotta be for more power or something. So we're gonna test this on the cord, just a little bit, just to show you what it can do with the different speed, my people, and we'll go from there. All right, my people, so we got the right socket and everything. Now we're gonna just test this. We're gonna test this, and I believe we got the right socket in there. Let's see what happens. Right away, like nothing. It brought it out like nothing. So now we're gonna put it back. Oh, it's all the way high. I don't wanna go too high. Let's try number 1. Let's do 2. So it definitely gives it more. It definitely gives it more. Now let's see, what does it do in reverse when we press this button? It's on, right? Let's turn it off. Let's see what this one does with all the power. Let's see. Oh yeah, so it's definitely more, it gives you more power in reverse, and it took it off like nothing. Okay, so let's go forward again, and we got it at setting number 2. I don't think I need that much torque. Yo, this thing is pretty awesome. So my people, this is pretty awesome, I gotta tell you. And what somebody just showed me right here is, let me make sure you guys can see it, is you could pull this off. It's like a little rubber, right? You pull it back, and then right here, it does have like a pin, see? And you pull out the pin, and that's so this piece doesn't come out. You don't have to use it, but just if you want to be a little more safe, you do put it in there. Then of course you take it off, see? It goes through there. You put this back in here for safekeeping. Make sure it's all the way. See, I didn't put it straight. I put it crooked. You just got to make sure it goes in straight through the other hole. And then what you do is you pull the rubber. Ah, I got it and it came out. See, you got to make sure it goes in straight, my people. It came out. Okay, there we go. It's in the hole. So you'll never get lost. You'll never get lost, my people. So, like I said, this is pretty good, pretty strong. I do have another brand one, you know, and I don't know, I like this one just because it's smaller. It's like way smaller, it's compact. I can't complain about it. If in the future I have any problems, I will leave it in the description and let you guys know, like if it burns out. But for right now, I think this is $99. $99. For $99, not bad, you know? And again, you can order an extra battery and all that, my people. So, yep, I'll leave the link down below where you could purchase it if you would like. If there's any coupon codes, I'll put it down at the link also, so you could guys get a cheaper price. So this is pretty good, pretty strong. And look what it does. It doesn't keep going. See, it stops, look. So you don't keep your like thing pressed, the trigger pressed, see? It stops. I like that. All right.